Are you looking for the best dashcam? In this video we will look at some of the best dashcam on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. TSFONG I5S Dascam. The TSFONG I5S Dascam is a high-quality and feature-rich Dascam designed to provide comprehensive protection and documentation while on the road. This Dascam offers a range of functionalities that cater to the needs of drivers, ensuring safety and peace of mind. Equipped with a 3-channel setup, the TSFONG I5S Dascam captures footage from multiple angles, allowing for a more comprehensive view of the surroundings. With its 2K resolution at 1440p and dual 1080p cameras, this Dascam captures crisp and clear video footage, ensuring that important details are captured accurately. Number 2. MINIEYE C2 4K Dashcam. The MINIEYE C2 4K Dashcam is a reliable and feature-packed Dashcam designed to enhance road safety and provide valuable documentation during car journeys. This Dashcam offers a range of features that cater to the needs of drivers, ensuring a comprehensive and accurate record of their experiences on the road. Equipped with 4K resolution, the MINIEYE C2 Dashcam captures high-quality video footage with exceptional clarity and detail. This ensures that important details are captured accurately, providing a reliable recording of events while driving. Number 3. TSFONG M210 Dash Cam. The TSFONG M210 Dash Cam is a powerful and feature-rich Dashcam designed to provide comprehensive documentation and protection during car journeys. This Dashcam offers a wide range of advanced functionalities that cater to the needs of drivers, ensuring optimal safety and peace of mind. With its 2K resolution at 1440p, the TSFONG M210 Dashcam captures high-quality video footage with exceptional clarity and detail. This ensures that important details are accurately recorded, providing a reliable and accurate account of events while driving. Number 4. M210 4K plus 2K Dashcam. The M210 4K plus 2K Dashcam by HGDO is a high-quality and feature-packed device designed to provide exceptional performance and reliable documentation during car journeys. This Dashcam offers a range of advanced functionalities that cater to the needs of drivers, ensuring enhanced safety and comprehensive recording capabilities. With its 4K front camera and 2K rear camera, the M210 Dashcam captures stunningly detailed video footage. The front camera utilizes the Sony IMX415 sensor, while the rear camera incorporates the Sony IMX307 sensor, both known for their excellent imaging capabilities. This combination ensures sharp and clear recordings, capturing important details on the road. Number 5. Dashcam 4K GPS. The Dashcam 4K GPS is a feature-packed device designed to provide comprehensive video recording and additional safety features for car owners. This Dashcam offers a range of functionalities that cater to the needs of drivers, ensuring a reliable and convenient recording experience. With its 4K resolution, the Dashcam 4K GPS captures high-quality video footage with exceptional clarity and detail. This ensures that important details are accurately recorded, providing a clear and comprehensive picture of events on the road.